Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i. In this video we'll check if this phone has SD card slot. In order to check it, I'll have to eject this slot right here. As you can see right here, we've got only SIM card slots. So to sum up, this phone does not support additional SD card slot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.